haven't been outside for like 3 or 5 days now. Okay, as you can already probably see by the way my hair looks, that coronavirus is still spreading. But despite all this, the governments are slowly starting to open up our economy again. So this gave me a spontaneous idea to keep reminding people that please stay inside. The big part we're probably all still struggling with is keeping up with human interactions in our daily lives. So I thought about starting a small little hashtag called contactless presents. Meaning that you go to a loved one or a good friend and you give them a present and you just leave it behind their door and then you don't contact with them. At least not face to face. So I have a friend who is like super addicted to coffee. If he's at home, he could literally put caffeine into his veins and just start flowing it through his system. So okay, plan is like this. I'm gonna go to a shop, buy him a coffee machine, so he doesn't have to use this French press thing because it's just a pain to use and he needs to wait. So he can just press a button and let the coffee come out of the machine, or he can even attach a tube to the coffee machine so he can directly get coffee into his mouth. I don't know. But that's the idea. Go buy a coffee machine, wrap it up as a gift, and then I have another friend on the inside who will be filming his reaction once he gets the present. Okay, so let's go pack! Okay, the coffee machine is here and now we need to pack this. I also noticed that this machine uses these kind of filters, so I just got a pack of these. And yeah, let's do this. To give a quick little energy boost, make sure you all take your vitamins, okay? Because, you know, the virus and stuff. Oh, so what's the easiest way of packing your contactless present? Just use the same bag that you got from the shop. Just put it in there. The filters. That looks awful. I need to cover this thing up. Do you know what else I just realized? That I'm helping my friend worsen his addiction. Because the only thing that this machine is going to do is it's gonna make him more addicted to caffeine. Oh well. To the Canadian. I feel like a spy. This is the gate that we have to go to. And I have the number that I need to call to open the gate, plus I have the keys to the building. So let's see how it goes. Open the gate. Okay, the person on the inside told that I have to be very quiet when sneaking in because it's super quiet in there. So let's see. Let's hope I don't mess this up.
Someone's knocking?
Someone's here. Can you come first? Hello? Hello? Did you order something? There's like a package here.
There's a package? What is it?
Somebody must have had a key.
Oh my god, it says something.
What does it say?
It says to the Canadian.
It's mostly just weird that someone was in the house. Like I saw somebody.
You saw something?
We have a coffee machine. like we need an obligatory Avery in a box picture with me holding the coffee machine
Ooh.
for Slack.
Okay, kid.
Do you recognize this sound by any chance? Do you recognize this by any chance?
No idea. Ah, you stole my coffee machine. I thought where mine went.
Thanks, man. You scared the living Jesus out of me, though. Well, I was so confused because I looked at the window and I saw your hand only, so I didn't know it was you. But you were like holding the door?
Ah, yeah, because I was thinking about running outside, but then I was like, what if you're at the window and I can't?
Because like 20, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes before that, we also heard some weird noises where Renata like stopped and was looking at the window, and it was totally unrelated, just rain or something.
Mm.
But it was super weird, and then you're downstairs like there's somebody in my now, and I was like, it was super funny. Thank you though, well done. I didn't know it was you until I saw the handwriting when I opened it.
Mm.
I can't believe that you got all the way upstairs without knowing that. How long did it take you to walk up the stairs?
No, I was going slowly, yes. 10 minutes probably.
Yeah, don't think the first time it was great.
Well, I wrote Renata at some point that I don't know, you can Slack your Slack messages. I was writing Renata that I'm in the building.
Oh my god. You held up that lie way too well.